A decorated top-tier kickboxer Cesar Almeida. He is set to go down against Abdulrazak Alhassan, and Almeida really doing well in the world of kickboxing, and he did pretty solid in MMA, Battle lost to Roman Kopilov, but destroyed Ilan Budka, Lucas Fernando, outsmarted Ihor Potieria, and against Abdulrazak Alhassan, it's gonna be difficult. Judah Thunder is a top-tier striker and excellent grappler. His judo skills are amazing. He can take you down pretty much easily. 12-6-1 is his record, but people are going to say he's got a shitty record. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. The guy is a brawler. Either you finish him or he finishes you. Very simple. He lost to Joaquin Buckley, but destroyed Joe Pyfer, and Joe Pyfer destroyed him, but he destroyed Claudio Ribeiro, Alessio Di Chirico. The guy is extremely strong. Extremely strong fighter. Always goes for all or nothing. Same fight, not going the distance, but I think Almeida might be too much. Unless Abdulrazak Alhassan takes him down, I think Almeida could knock him out pretty easily.